Hey, and welcome to another day of the stream. Let's put the music on. There we go. We have to set the levels together today. Let's start with the higher time frames. First of all, let's see if the volume of the music is okay. That's nice. Alright, on the weekly, we basically weren't even able to hit the last day high. We will come to that in a few minutes. Right now we had unemployment claims, I guess. I have to look it up. Give me a second. We have Forex Factory. Yeah, we had unemployment claims at 8:30. So the impact we see right now is the impact from the unemployment claims. So basically on the weekly, I do expect some bullishness, some more bullishness here, at least to the 1 week conquer encouragement wick or the volume imbalance, as well as the 1 week fair value gap here. This will be a quick go through on the daily. I expect that we will hit the conquer encouragement of this cluster here, which is also an old low, an old high. So we have several levels of resistance as you want, if you want so. And I do expect we will take out the liquidity before we go lower. So I do expect higher prices for now. Maybe we retrace back into the volume imbalance and then switch higher. But my target for the week is the cluster there. On the 4-hour chart, we do see we haven't even violated the buy side liquidity, so it's still in play. And that's where I think we will head to today after we take out some sell side here. Let's switch to the 15-minute chart. The 15-minute chart is basically not updated at all, so it's from yesterday, but we can make this pretty quick together. We have here the opening, and here is the there we go. Here is the other opening, which means we have this here is, wait, we need it from Wednesday here, so this is 12 basically, so the high is midnight high is here. Last day high open close is the 6. Yeah, so this is the high basically. Where's the low? This one is the open close low, which turns to this one, and this is the midnight one. So basically it's from 12 to 12. It's the low, right? Yeah, but that will be the same. So these are the levels for the lows. We do have our opening range gap, which is for now not of a huge interest, because we do have a bit to go until we hit the opening bell. For now, I would like to see this low here violated, and then I would like to see a price going again to the upside. So that would be basically my point where I would look for an entry. We have, where is the opening? There should be. So this is the opening. Near the opening gap of the 8th of May is the low. There we go. This is the opening gap high from the 8th of May. Alright. I think that's it. Let's add the there we go, London range high. well as the London range low, which is this level here. And also the Asian range high, which is this one. Come on. And the Asian range high, which is this Asian range low, sorry, which is this one here. Let's switch this Asian range low, Asian range high. Alright, then we have our midnight open. Have I deleted it? Yeah, that was pretty stupid. This is the midnight open. So, what I want to see is a violation of this sell side here. Basically the London range low, and as soon as we have this one and we turn to the upside again, I would look for a long here for several reasons. Because first of all, we are in an uptrend on the 15-minute time frame. Secondly, we do have only this liquidity. Like we took out this liquidity with this wick, this liquidity here with this wick. We still have this in play, but I assume that most of the people would drag their stops to here because we do have the last day high here, and people would hope that it will respect the level as support here. But I do not. I do think we will go lower, at least below this one, maybe to this breaker, to this order block here, and turn from here to the upside. Should be also around the 618 level of this range. No, it's the 50% level. It's even better. That's pretty cool. So let's see how this plays out. I want this to be taken out. This is my magnet right now. Do I have a magnet here? Is there an option to search something? I'm pretty sure there will be a magnet somewhere. I don't know. There we go. So basically this level here is a magnet for me. And I would like price to hit it. Before we don't hit it, I'm not looking for anything. We also have this here as this is our buy side. I hope, like, this would be my target for higher prices. It's about time for a retracement, so it's pretty nice. I just hope we will not hold this level. I hope we will break through and go up again after we touch this order block here. Let's see, price is fighting now on the midnight open level. Mm, let's switch to the lower time frames, which is basically this one here. I mean, we have a nice downtrend. This level is a bit too much, so I do expect some kind of a retracement here. Probably to this volume imbalance, I guess. And as soon as we hit this one, I would like to see it maximum to go to here and then fall off. So let's see. Like this is dragging price to its level, but and even if you have a look for later price action, I mean, yeah, one could assume that we took out these highs with this one. But on the other hand, we do have this whole thing still in play. Like everyone who put it their stops here, it's still in game. So later on, I do think price will hit this one, but not now. I don't think we will hit it now. Let's have a look at Forex Factory. Hold on, my my iPad isn't working. So let's look at Forex Factory. We have President Trump at 10. What the heck? Where comes this from? Like, this is new. This wasn't here 10 minutes ago. Let's see at Financial Choose what they're saying. Trump to announce trade deal with UK. Right. Maybe that's what happened. What will happen at 10. Yeah, I'm pretty sure about this. By the way, price is hitting the inversion level. The inverted. Come on, that's wrong. What have I done here? This is the volume imbalance. It's not the inversion. So let's see. We have 10. But this is my time, so it's 6. If it's 4. Is this today? No, it's May the 9th. This is today. Like on... That's pretty interesting. At Financial Choose, we don't even have the speech of Trump, although they're the earliest most of the time. Well. Let's see. So price is going above. I would like it to stay below this level. Where my cursor is right now. Let's see how we treat the volume imbalance here. I would like it to go through it, close below it, and then retest it with a little up move and then smash lower to take out this level here, go to my order block, and as soon as we hit it, I want to see it go higher. But I'm not so sure if this will happen before Trump is speaking, like tennis. It's in 1 hour. Fuck, it's in 1 hour. But I would like to see what he's speaking about. Press conference, what he is. Yeah, I thought so. So it's about the trade deal Trump made with the UK. As I said, I want the price to close below, so this would be ideal if we would close below it, and this would be even better if we close like below this level where my cursor is right now, because that would mean that we inverted this level once more, or let's say this level. Let's make the range a bit smaller. But this would only come to fruition if price is closing at where it's right now. So yeah, we did it. Basically like this. And let's see where this goes. If we close with a down closed candle, this would be pretty nice, because if we do so, we would also have like an inversion in a volume imbalance. That's pretty crazy this year. There we go. Yeah, but it doesn't look like. No, we don't. We don't have this, but we have the inversion level, and that's pretty strong. It's pretty nice. Like I'm playing with thought to go short as soon as we touch it here as well. Let me switch to the 50-minute real quick because I have to log in my TraderWeight account on the other display. Come on, this could be a bit faster. Come on. There we go. Come on. Really? Let's see, trading panel, TraderWeight. I have to log out here first. So, here we are again. Let's switch to the smaller time frame. I think as soon as we hit the inversion level, I will go short. Although I'm biased long at the opening. For now, I'm biased pretty short because I don't want this to hold so strong. I would rather like to see that price takes out some measurement of a sell side. There we go. We hit the inversion level, and I don't want it to be fully closed. If price is fully closing it, I won't do anything. But if we get a reaction from it, like we do now, I would short it at least to 20,134. It's not so much, it's 50 points, but that's okay. It's a good one. I take that. So in 3 minutes we should see some good moves to the downside. At least I hope so. What is the risk reward even? I got 20 points risk. Yeah, it's 2. That's okay. Although I don't hold much for risk and reward, but let's see. We have 1 minute 15 seconds to go until we should see some price action here. I simply hope that price will not go higher, take out this high, and then smash lower, or just go higher without taking out the 15-minute low, which is the long-term range low. Like, I do hope we will see at least this point here. Like, this is the last low. It's not even the low this is the low I look for a long if we hit it. It's not even this one, right? It's the lowest hanging fruit here, I assume. So let's see. We have this wick as this should give price a pretty strong reaction as soon as we hit it, because it's in discount, and there we go. It's in discount, and also it's backed up by this. Let's call it support. So we could see some strong reaction here, but I'll still stick to my idea. "40 seconds left until we see some reaction here." Do we have news at 3? I don't hope so. At not 3, at 9. It's Forex Factory. Yeah, no, we don't. The next news are at 10. So the reaction should be pretty moderate, not too wild. Like, we have several levels which put the idea in danger. It's first of all, it's this fair value gap here, which could be used as some kind of a strong support in alignment with this one. And also we have this railroad tracks, and these have the equilibrium, and the equilibrium of the railroad tracks could be also a strong, let's call it support. Let's see. Yeah, so that's the volatility I talked about before. For now, it's pretty moderate. I hope it stays so. I would not like to see it make some wild moves, neither to the downside nor to the upside. Like, I would like to wick a bit around and normalize afterwards to go its normal way again. Like, this is the macro right now from 850 to 910, and I would like to see not my magnet target, not the London range low been taken out, but at least I would like to see this low where my buy limit is taken out until 910. I don't like that price is consolidating, although we haven't even hit it fair value gap for now. Like we struggling with hitting it, and that's something where I think price is too strong, because it's one thing if the fair value gap would be touched, but the fair value gap not even being touched and giving us such a strong reaction to price that it's not even able to come close to it, like I talked about close by touching it. Um, it's pretty strong, but as long as we're not going above the inversion level, and as long as we're not breaking the volume imbalance, my idea is not in danger. So for now, it's just an accumulation phase, and it's annoying, but it's okay, and it's acceptable. Like no matter how this trade ends, either positive or negative, I would take the other one at 10. No, hold on, 950 to 1010. Because if my pattern appears, I will take it no matter what. Although this is like a small profit if it turns out. How much would it be? It would be like 50 points is something like 900, 800, isn't it? Small profit in terms of the lot size I'm trading, not in terms of money by itself. Like if my pattern would give me 900 bucks, I would be content with it. I would take it and leave it. But if a pre-pattern is giving me this, holy moly, that's pretty nice. So right now, it looks to me like we're about to touch the fair value gap. Um, I would like to see some wicking to the upside, like a wick to the upside before we smash down, just to take out the buy side here. But let's see, maybe we do it as soon as we touch the fair value gap. I think we touched it now. Did we? It's 68.75. It's 68.75. Yeah, we touched it to the tick. So we could get a short retracement where I wanted to see now to the buy side before we smash lower. Um, or the reaction is really so strong that we just smash higher. But and I don't know. I don't expect that. I really do expect lower prices for now. I don't like this, man. I'm already. No, I'm not even that long. I'm 10 minutes in the trade, but it feels like a fucking hour. So I would like to see displacement through the fair value gap. I don't like price zigzagging inside of it, around or anything. Like I would, there we go. I would like to see this. But now we have to close. Like I would prefer it if we close below the fair value gap. If we close with displacement inside the fair value gap, it's okay. But what I don't want to see now is a measure of strong bullishness. Like I would like to see it close below the equilibrium of the fair value gap and not close above it, because closing above the equilibrium would mean that price is too strong and maybe it will not go below, maybe it will not go down to my profit target. And let's see. Let's also implement the 15-second chart. Oh man. Well, this is a nice buy side here. This is, oh man, that's what I talked about. I would like to see this been taken out before we smash lower, because this is way too clean. Way too clean. That's amazing. Also, we respected the equilibrium. That's what I talked about. It's what I don't like to see if I'm in a short. And we touch a level, or rather we test a level from the upside. I want to see the equilibrium being broken and not being this much respected. So hopefully, either it takes out the buy side and then smashes lower, or it just smashes lower. I hope that price will not turn here. That would be pretty dumb, pretty sad. But it could happen because I see this should be also 50%. Holy fuck it is. Well, probably we're fucked. Rather not we, I. Let's see. I mean, it would be just a loss of how much? 400? Yeah, 400. Pretty sure about this. Come on, give me the displacement. Give me displacement. Just as it's 30, it's not even 50 points, it's 45 points. So we're talking about 900 USD in profit if we hit the target. Do we? Something like this. But we respect the equilibrium way too much. Way too much. This reaction right now, that's too strong. It's something I absolutely don't like to see. Absolutely don't like to see. Come on, man. Just give me the displacement I need to see. Problem is, I absolutely will not stay in the trade at the opening or throughout the opening. So it better gives me my take profit rather quick. Come on. At least we closed like how much? 1 point below the equilibrium, but that's something. That's something. I would prefer like displacement still. And right now we are near the close of the fair value gap. At least close it entirely. Come on, if you don't want to give me a displacement, at least give me a close of this fair value gap. Closed. That's nice for now. And even wicked through, so even wicked a bit above on the outside, like below it. So I hope we don't see some strong reaction from here. Like if we go lower now and we close below it, at least this would give me peace until, I don't know how much, 148, where the equilibrium of the railroad tracks is. At least we closed below equilibrium again. That's pretty cool, and we made some indecisive price action within it, like wick to the upside, wick to the downside, but closed pretty near to the equilibrium. So let's see. I would like to see a close below it right now. Because basically, not respecting this fair value gap means pretty much high resistance price action. That's something I don't want to be a part of. Well, close above equilibrium. Let's see where I just want to go. This is wanting to go. Look at this clean price action in the 15-second chart. It's amazing. It's amazing. Like not even one high has been taken out. A lot of relative equalize. Well, this is nice. This is a nice target if it stays so, and price is not making some bullish move. What I honestly expect, because I don't think price will leave this that way. But if we smash lower to my target, turn at the order block after we took out London range low, this is some nice buy side here. This is some nice buy side here. We talk here about like 100 points, but yeah, looks like we take out the highs now. Let's see. No, damn. Pretty volatile. Not sure, maybe this is due to Trump's speech. But we're holding strong, still inside of the fair value gap. At 9.25, I will exit the trade no matter what. Either if I'm in a winning position or a losing position, I don't care, because 9.25 is too hot for me near to the opening. And I have to keep in mind that we had unemployment claims before opening, so I think there will be a lot of orders through inside of the market. There we go. We take out the buy side. Now, but the only thing price made right now with this move is I don't know why my connection is struggling that much. But hold on, maybe if I turn this off, should be better, and put this in. So then it's not a via, yeah, like I switched to cable connection with my iPad because it's freezing all the time. Six minutes to go until this trade will be determined. I just hope we close inside. Yeah, we did not. I was hoping that we close inside of this for value gap, because what we did now, wicked inside of it and closed above it, is strong. It's a sign of strength. So yeah, basically what we see now. So let's see. But now we took out some measure of a buy side here, a bit more, like maybe to the 183 level, would be enough in my eyes. And if we take this out, I would like to see, yeah, there we go, took it out. So I would like to see lower prices from here. If not, my position could be in danger. Even more due to the fact that I have to exit in 4 minutes. We do in fact have this fair value gap here. I don't want to see a strong reaction away from it. I would rather like to see price just going through, but I got a feeling that this will not happen. I think that price is aiming, at least for now, for higher prices, but let's see. Maybe this is enough. Maybe it's as I said, and that the buy side is good enough for the market as well to not react at PD arrays for now. bullishness. Oh, now I see it on the we was holding pretty strong level of the midnight open with our bodies. There we come from. There we come from. I get it. I get it. You have a difficult time going through midnight open, huh? Nice. So if this level gets an inversion now, I would love it. Ah, nice. Nice that I fucking closed it. I would love this level being inverted. Like this. Like it just needs to leave a portion of this open. It not needs to be this completely entirely open. But at least a portion like it's now, it would be good enough. And as soon as we trade in it, I would like to see a strong reaction to the downside, maybe break the fair value gap. But probably without me. Looks good so far.
Dark night beats, steps in sync, baseline deep, feel the
Well, that wasn't good. $170. Oh, that's annoying. And I bet price will go down now as soon as the opening bell rings. But I don't care. I'm good with the decision. So
click and click, groove in time, lose yourself in the rhyme. Steady beat, four on floor, echoes flow, wanting more. Atmosphere, hypnotize, rhythms here, caught your eyes. Feel the bass,
so
under skin, dance the night,
4 minutes
let
left.
it spin.
Well, this isn't surprising at all. Basically, it's what I said before. What I want to see as soon as we hit the inversion level, I want to see strong reaction to the downside, and I don't know. I expect price to go lower at the opening bell, just because my bias for AM is bullish. So I think we will take out some buyers or the stop of buyers before we smash higher.
Atmosphere,
3 minutes.
hypnotize, rhythms here, caught your eyes. Feel the bass, under skin, dance the night, let it spin.
So this looks like I get the displacement I wanted before. Let's see. Maybe not though. Probably it will come with the opening bell eventually. But even I missed out on some points, I'm good with the decision that I left because I don't know, the minutes before opening are too hot for me. One minute left. Still, we respect the fair gap low with our bodies. Still bullish. But as I said, I think the first move to do the swing will be bearish. So we trick sellers into the market and smash higher then. There we go, due to swing to the downside. I hope this wasn't it. I hope there will be more. Come on. I need more. There we go. What more? Still not enough. Still not enough. Still not enough. There we go. We hit it last day high. But this is still not enough. I would like to see. Come on, come on. One tick. Yeah, there we go. This is cool. This is nice. And now Give me a reversal. Now give me the reversal so I can kill it. Do we talk about the risk that it could also go to the downside? Nah. So, here we go. All right. So we still not have a 1 minute fair value gap and 1 minute real-time average fair value gap. So there is the order block. I would like to see a reversal here, or at least within the next 50 minutes, 50 points. This looks good. And we still have the buy side. No, we don't. Anyway. So let's see, we still not have a first real-time average fair value gap here. So do we use the last day high as some kind of, oh, hold on, that's wrong, that's an old high here, that's not the last day high. This one is the high I want to see. Yeah, this one is just the old daily high. I mean, it's meaningful, but it's not so meaningful to me. This one here is the level I want to see. Breakthrough, retested, upside. And then I would take it until this inversion, like 50 points again. No, I would wait until we hit this level and how we react at this level. That would be something I would eyeball. Then So it could be bullish, it could stay bearish, it could stay bearish, I mean, because this move here, the retest and not being able to stay above it is, yeah. So we're inside of this order block right now. So 9 minutes, I would like to see the reversal in the macro, but I get a feeling that we will not reverse. I don't know, somehow this price action seems more bearish to me due to the reaction at the last day high from open close. But it could turn anytime. Damn. Eight minutes left. Eight minutes left, but we're still not able to close above the level of the last day high from open close. But at least we traded inside the order block and we respected it pretty much in the first quarter of it. That's something here. So wicking to the macro, going higher than holding strong at the first present gap of 2nd May. That would be cool. That would be cool. It's a good timing to take out the lows. An inversion, or at least a fair value gap to the upside, like jumping over all these levels here. That would be cool. That would be my love. Pretty weak. Pretty weak. So 3 seconds, 2 seconds, 1 second, and macro. A reversal now, that would be neat. That would be nice. Because it would be also in alignment with the 50% of the opening range, and we already took out, no, we haven't, like a bit lower right now, to take out the relative equal lows we have here from the Asian range. Would be cool, and afterwards just a move higher. So this is our first presented fair value gap of today. No, 6160. It's just relative equal lows there. Ah, shit. At 10, Trump is speaking, right? Ah, damn it. So yeah, I will end here. I will end the stream. It makes no sense to stick to it because I will not trade anyway when Trump is speaking. I stick to my bullish narrative today, but um, that's sad because this would be my entry here. But it's better this way, and yeah, just no. I will leave it. Yeah, before I do something stupid. So I will be here tomorrow at. We have Waller at 11:30, but at 11:30, but that's not so important. I will be here at 9:15, and maybe 9:30, 9:15 to 9:30. Let's see how the market is behaving and performing, and I will make it. I will bond it to this. So yeah, that's it for today. Made nice $146 with a lot size of one. That's and the risk of like how much? 400? It's pretty stupid. But yeah, that's okay. It's all right. So I will end here. I wish you a nice day, good trading, and I hope you're profitable today, for the day, for the week, for the year. So I will be back